How to download Izip application on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download Izip application on iPhone. So first thing, simply head over to your app store on your iPhone and just search in for Izip. So once you search in for Izip, it is an application to unzip or your zip file. So once you do all of that, just click on this application inside of and just click on this get button over here. So once you click on get button, so do as it says in the screen by simply following the on-screen instruction. So once you do all of that, your security process, your password, you have to wait for a few seconds. So it's a great application to unzip your RAR and zip files. So once you successfully download, you can simply open the file like this, and you can just select any files from over here and just click on this file like this and just click on unzip file, and it will successfully unzip your zipped folder or files just like this. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.